Welcome, my dear students in grade 4. Today our session is about probability. Okay, at first I want you to know that we have three types of events. The events can be certain, possible, or impossible. The certain event means the sure event, the event which is should happen. The possible event can happen or not. The impossible events, the event which is never happen. Okay. So we have three types of events: certain, possible, and impossible. The probability, it means the chance of the occurrence of this event. For example, for a certain event, the probability is 1. For a possible event, the probability is a fraction, proper fraction between 0 and 1. For impossible event, the probability is 0. So, for a certain event, the probability is 1. Possible event probability is a proper fraction between 0 and 1. For impossible event, the probability is 0. Let's solve this exercise together. The first one is example. Sun rise from east. Of course, the sun should rise from east, so this is a certain event and the probability will be 1. The next one, pupil rides a bike to school. This is a possible event, so the probability will be between 0 and 1. Family visits the seashore every year. What is the type or the probability degree? Family visits the seashore every year. Yes, excellent. It is a possible event, so the probability will be between 0 and 1. The next one, man lives on earth forever. Of course, this is, yes, impossible, so the probability is 0. Day comes after night. This is, yes, a certain event, so the probability is 1. The last one, weather is sunny tomorrow. This is a possible event, so the probability will be between 0 and 1. Okay. The summation of all probabilities is 1. And if you want to calculate the probability for any possible event, you will just divide the number of elements of a given event over the number of all possible events. Let's see how. Here, for example, we have a coin. This exercise said that Kamal spun a coin 100 times, so the total number here is 100 times. He got ahead 45 times. So the number of times he get head is 45 times. What is the probability of getting head or tail? Okay, the total number of times here is 100. So to get the probability of getting head, just divide, as we said, 45 over 100. So I'll divide 45 over 100 to get the probability of getting head. It will be 0.45. Okay, the probability of getting tail. How many times? He gets tail 100 minus 45. Yes. So 55 times. Okay, how to calculate the probability? Divide 55 by the total numbers, which is 100. So the result will be 0.55. Okay. If we consider the possible outcomes have the same chance, the probability of appearance of head or tail when tossing a coin. Here we have head and tail, only 2 events, so the total number is 2. Getting head or getting tail is 1 out of 2, so the probability will be 1 over 2. If we have 1 dice, the probability of getting any number will be 1 over the total number. How many faces do we have here? How many faces? We have 6. So the numbers are from 1 to 6. So the total number here is 6. So the probability of getting any number will be 1 over 6. The probability of getting the number 7 will be 0 because there is no 7 here. The probability of getting number 5, 1 over 6. Number 2, 1 over 6. Number 1, 1 over 6. And so on. Okay. So in a dice, when we're rolling a dice, probability of getting any number is 1 over 6. Here, for example, we have a disc divided into equal sectors and numbered from 1 to 10. So the probability of getting any number will be 1, yes, out of 10. The total number is 10. So the probability of getting number 7, 1 over 10. Number 3, 1 over 10. Number 5, 1 over 10. If we have a number which is not from 1 to 10, it will be, the probability will be 0. For example, the probability of getting number 20, 0. Why? Because we don't have 20. Okay. Here we have a box. This box contains 4 blue balls, 2 red balls, and 3 green balls, all equal in size. If a ball is drawn manually, complete. Probability of getting a blue ball. Let's get the summation at first. We want the total number of balls. So I'll add 4 plus 2 plus 3. So the total number will be 9. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. Now the probability of drawing a blue ball will be 4 over the total, which is 9. Okay. The probability of drawing a red ball. Look at here, we have a red ball, 2 red balls, so 2 over 9. The probability of drawing a green ball, here we have 3 green balls, so 3 over 9, which is 1 over 3. So 3 over 9, then simplify by dividing up and down by 3, it will be 1 over 3. The probability of getting non-blue. Non-blue means 1 minus the probability of getting blue. So 1 minus 4 over 9. It means 9 over 9 minus 4 over 9, which is 5 over 9. Probability of drawing a non-red. Non-red means 1 minus the probability of getting red. The probability of getting red is 2 over 9. So 1 minus 2 over 9. It means 9 over 9 minus 2 over 9, which is 7 over 9. Okay. The last exercise we have here. When rolling a dice, what is the probability of getting the following in the upper face? We said before the total number here is 6 because we have the numbers from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability of getting number 5? This is one number out of 6. So 1 over 6. Okay, 1 over 6. An even number. What are the even number we have on the dice? 2, 4, and 6. 3 numbers. So 3 over 6. And we can simplify it by dividing by 3. So we will get 1 over 2. An odd number. How many odd number do we have? 1, 3, yes, and 5. So also we have 3 over 6, which is 1 over 2. Okay, a number which is divisible by 3. What do we have? 3 and 6. So only 2 numbers. 2 over 6, which is 1 over 3. Okay, I hope you have understand our session today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Goodbye.